Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 185 and 186 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. شهر رمضان الذي شهر for ha with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa. Shahru ra is heavy because whenever there is fatha or dhamma on ra is always heavy. To make any letter heavy, you have to lift your tongue up. For dhamma, you are circling lips, not for ra. Shahru ra here raw is heavy, and make sure you don't circle your lips because raw is with fatha. Just open your mouth vertically. Raw ma is short. Is heavy and 2 counts long. Nalladhi. Noon, the fatha of noon is short, attached with lam. For fatha, open your jaws. The lam is short here. Nalladhi. 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil. Jaiz because mad letter is in the last part of first word and the hamza is in the beginning of the second word. So when there is a gap in between, they are not in one word, then it is called mad munfasil. Munfasil means there is a gap. Munfasil jaiz. For dhamma, circle your lips. There is ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa because za is the light letter. So you are making light ikhfa. Zi for kasra, give e sound. Don't make sure you are not dropping this e sound. Zi la is short. Zila fi for fa, give hams, and you're making it 2 counts long. Fi Heel for kasra, give e sound and attach with lam, and lam will get sifa of tawassut. Fi, hil, and get tawassut on lam. Or of is heavy for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with raw will get sifa of tawassut here, and it will be heavy. Why it's heavy? Because there is dhamma before it. Whenever raw is with sukoon, if there is dhamma or fatha before it, then it will be heavy too. Or is 2 counts long. Make sure you're giving the very sharp sound to hamza and then pronouncing alif from your jawf. So these two letters are very different and have different qualities. So make sure you are pronouncing these two separately. Nu for dhamma, circle your lips. Hu for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Del. This is idgham without gunna because lam and ra are the Yarmaloon letters which does not include gunna. So you are not keeping sound in your nose. Hudalin for kasra, give e sound, lin, and give a nice proper long gunna because this is gunna kamila. Lin na is 2 counts long. C. So we can revise long vowels. Alif, if before alif there is fatha, and before waw there is dhamma, before ya there is kasra. These are the 3 long vowels in Quran. Whenever they come, you have to make it 2 counts long sound. So this is one of them. The na, there is alif, and before alif there is fatha, so you are making it 2 counts long. Lin na si is short. Wa for waw, circle your lips. You are pronouncing waw always from with your lips, not with your teeth when they are touching the lower lip. No, it's a wrong way to say wow. you just have to use your lips. It should be circled to pronounce wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa bay for ba is attached with ya. Ya will when you are attaching ba with ya, this is the place where you will create nabar. There are two letters, wow or ya. Wow and ya, whenever these are with tashdid, will get sifa of nabar. And nabar is the jump of sound. Bay, you are keeping yas soft. You are lifting your tongue, middle of your tongue up towards your palate, but you are not actually touching it. If you will touch that, the sound will be yeah. That is not permissible in tajweed. The ya, the sound of ya is very very soft. Na is 2 counts long. وبينا team for kasra, give e sound, and this is idgham with gunna. Idgham is to merge one sound into another, so you are merging the sound of tanween into meme. So and this is with gunna, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer period of time because this is gunna, akmal gunna. Bayinatim mi. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is very short. Mi nal. And the sound of noon is short and it is attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Whenever there are these letter lin omar, any of this letter comes with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. So minal, you will not stop lam abruptly, but give it a medium flow of sound. Minal hu. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Da, 2 counts long. Huda, well. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with ra. Ra will be heavy. Whenever ra is with sukoon, if you find dhamma or fatha before it, you will make ra heavy. So because the effect of dhamma before it, the ra is heavy. And how you will make it heavy? You will lift your root of your tongue towards palate to make any letter heavy. So you are lifting your tongue. Furqan. This is mad arad sukoon. You are giving temporary sukoon at the end and that on noon. And if you find 2 counts long vowel before it, you will change it into 4 counts. And this is called mad arad sukoon. Wal furqan. Faman. This fa will get hams. Faman. Sama. This is ikhfa and this is light ikhfa. Why? Because sheen is among the light letters. So sama. To create a light ikhfa, you have to keep your tongue straight. It shouldn't be lifted up. The moment it will lift little up, it will make heavy kalkala. So make sure you keep your tongue straight. Fama sha. Sha is short. He short. Da short. Shahida minkum. Ku. This is ikhfa and this is light ikhfa. In when you are making ikhfa for letter kaf, you create this ink sound. Ming. You are blocking the makhraj very like you seize it, so it makes this sound. Minku. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short and kaf is light. Ku mush. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with sheen. Mush. And sheen will get sifa of rakhawa and tafashi. The sound should spread. Kumush. Yeah. Will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow. Shahra. Ra is heavy. Whenever Ra is with Fatha or Dhamma, it is always heavy. Ra, the sound should be RAW grammatically. Fell, for Fatha, open your jaws. Make sure you are applying um, applying hums over here, and lam will get sifa of the wasut. Fal, yeah, it's short. Sum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Mim will get sifa of the wasut, and ha will get sifa of the rakhawa when you will make it stop because of the waqf. فَلْيَصُمْ. First give the wasut very clearly and then give rakhawa. فَلْيَصُمْ. For wow, for circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Man, there is ikhfa, and this light ikhfa because kaf is among light letters. وَمَنْ ka is 2 counts long and kaf is light. Na وَمَنْ كَانَ ma is short. Ri ma short. Ri is 2 counts long and ra is light here because whenever ra is with kasra, we'll get light sound. Mariqun. This is idhar, and idhar gets the sifa of tawassut. So you are applying tawassut here. Mariqun. Mariqun. Aw, for fatha, open your for fatha, open your jaws, and for this is lean, and lean will get 2 counts long vowel. Aw, ayn from your throat. La, 2 counts long. Aw, ala, sa short, fa short, safa ring. This is light ikhfa because fa is among light letters. So you are hiding the sound of tanween and going towards makhraj of fa and keeping sound in your nose. Safa ring, fa is will get hums. For kasra, give e sound. Da is short. Tum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. This is idgham with gunna, and there will be akmal gunna. Whenever there is idgham, there will be akmal gunna. فعدة min will there is idhar and the sifa is tawassut. Min ay, hamza is very sharp sound attached with ya, and when you are attaching hamza with ya will get sifa of nabar. Ay, ya is 2 counts long. Ay, ya, and keep ya very soft. Min idhar will this will get sifa of tawassut. Ayyamin. So there should be flow of sound too. Ukharu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Kha is heavy. Make kha heavy. The sound is short. As soon as you are giving sukoon on ra, it will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Ukharu. You, for dhamma, circle your lips. Ri, 2 count song. Yuri, dullahu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Dal is light. Keep dal light and make the lam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name heavy. Yuri, dullah. Lafz jalala is always long. Who and ha is short. Yuridullahu. B for kasra. Give E sound. B. Make sure this is B. This is not B. B. Ku. For dhamma, circle your lips. Kaf is very light. B. Ku. Mul. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Whenever Lin, Umar are the letters, whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Bikumul yus. For dhamma, circle your lips. Make sure you are keeping this ya very soft. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with seen. Seen will get safa of rakhawa and whistle. They should be sifa of safir here. Yus ra is short. The sound is short and it is heavy because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Wa short. La 2 counts long. Wala you. Yeah is very soft. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. You, ri is 2 counts long. Ra is light here because whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Ri, do, dal is light. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Sound is very short. Yuridu, B, B, B is very light. B, ku for dhamma, circle your lips. And scarf is light and the sound is very short. Piku, mul for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasat. Mul, rus. Ain should be from your throat very clearly. For dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you'll touch seen, it will get sifa of rakhawa and safi. So rus, ro is short. It is heavy. And for fatha, open your jaws. Make sure you are not making your lips circle. So keep them straight. Rusro, wa, short, li. For kasra, give e sound. Wali, took. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with kaf, took. And kaf will get sifa of hums. Took, me. For kasra, give e sound. Me. Me, lul. For dhamma, circle your lips and attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Lul, aid, ain from your throat. Attach with dal. Aid, da is short. Ta short. Aid, ta. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wali. For kasra, give e sound. Wali. Tu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Kab, kaf is light, attach with ba, kabbi, urullah, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lam, urullah, ha is short, ain is short from your throat, la, 2 counts long, ala, ma, 2 counts long, ha, short, da, 2 counts long, kum, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with mim, mim will get sifa of tawassut. Hudakum, huwa, short. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La, short. Al, ain from your throat. Give tawassut. Wala, alla. For fatha, the sound is very short. Kum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. Wala, allakum. Tash. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of رخاوة and تفشي. تشكو for ضمة, circle your lips. كاف is light. قرون مد عدد للسكون. You are giving سكون at the end and before temporary سكون. If you find long vowel, you will make them 4 counts long. This is called مد عدد للسكون. And you are making ra heavy too because there is ضمة on ra. تشكرون ولتكملوا العدة ولتكبروا الله على ما هداكم ولعلكم تشكرون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.